Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Peacock TV buffering issue. Buffering issues on Peacock TV can be frustrating. Here are several steps you can take to resolve your buffering issue and continue enjoying Peacock TV contents. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your peacocktv.com website on a web browser and log into your account. Now, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Sometimes, a simple restart for your router can also resolve network connectivity issue. Once you ensure you have a stable internet connection, go ahead and try playing a content on Peacock TV. If the problem still continues, make sure that your device's operating system has been updated to the latest version. Simply go ahead and open up the Start button from your computer and click on the settings. After you get to the settings menu, click on the Update and Security button. Under Update, click on the Windows Update button on the top left. Now, click on Check for Updates and make sure you run the check for your latest version of operating system. If you are running the outdated version of your device's operating system, that might also lead you with buffering issues. Once you are done making sure that your window has been updated, you can now close off the window and get back to the Peacock TV website. After you're inside the home page of Peacock, click the three dots at the top right from your web browser and then click on the Settings button in the pop-up. After opening up Settings, click on Previously Search and Services on the left inside column and scroll down and get to Delete Browsing Data. Click on Choose What to Clear right next to Clear Browsing Data Now and select the time range from where you want to clear your browsing history. Now, you will be able to see little checkboxes right underneath the time range button. Make sure that you've checked browsing history and cached images and files. Leave the rest of the box unchecked and make sure you check these two boxes and click on Clear Now. Right after you clear your browsing data, that is your browsing history and cached images and files, you can get back to the home page of Peacock TV and try opening up a content. Only this time, you might be able to fix your Peacock TV buffering issue. So that is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next tutorial video. Thank you for watching.